Well, hello everybody. Mark Anthony here. Welcome back. If you're like my wife and I, when we travel, we tend to take a lot of photos and videos from different sources. She likes to shoot with her Nikon D80. I've got several cameras. I've got my smartphone. I've got my drone. And when you're out there in the desert or out away from your other stuff, there's no way to view that. Well, I want to introduce you to my new traveling companion. This thing here has become almost invaluable to me, even when I'm on the road. And so I want to show you what this thing is here, all right?
You're watching Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I have a new device that I carry in my technology travel bag. Yes, I have a technology travel bag. It's got, my chargers, my cables, and all that. The Falwedi. This is a 10-in-1 USB-C hub made of polished aluminum. Very durable. I like it. This thing, I've had it for a couple of weeks. I have kicked it around. This thing now goes with me anytime that I'm on the road. Here is why I am saying that. It has, first of all, three USB 3 ports, two on that side, another one on that side. This plugs into your smartphone or into your tablet, all right? That is there for your memory card, Ethernet, VGA, and my favorite, 4K 30 frames per minute monitor, all right? Think about that, all right? When I go out on a shoot, it's not with me today, but I do have a small 10-inch 4K battery-operated monitor so I can see what I'm shooting and all that. When my wife and I go out, she likes to shoot with her Nikon D80. I shoot with my smartphone. I have a Osmo 2, a drone, a video camera. What else do we shoot with? Anyway, when you're out there shooting, and you're traveling around, you want to see what you're shooting. And normally you've got to go to your viewfinder on your camera and look at that. Go over to my video camera, look at that. Go over to her D80, look at that. All right. This, for me, there we go. For me, this solves that big problem. I can take all of this, put it onto my smartphone, into a folder on my smartphone or on my tablet. She can go back out and shoot. I can edit on my tablet or on my smartphone and upload to either the cloud or onto the social media sites. I found this to be a time saver and a convenience to be able to have all of our media content in one spot, and it can be on my smartphone. How cool is that? Or on her tablet. And now that's another thing. If I'm in someone's office or I'm with some friends and we're at their house or whatever, I can show them what we shot. I don't have to download everything to my computer or anything like that. I can plug this in and then plug in their 4K television, or I could plug in their Ethernet, and there it is. I can show them what we shot. If you're in a business where you want to show your clients some live feeds, this will do it. That's what I love about this thing. Is it's so handy and so portable and so lightweight, and it's made out of shiny aluminum. I love the aluminum. Oh yeah, and this there is your headphone monitor. Oh, it's got everything on it. Yeah, I've just found this to be a really nice little unit that I now carry with me almost any place I go, whether I'm on tour or the wife and I are out gallivanting around through the desert. There's others out there that watch me, and I've talked to you, that do the exact same thing. When you're out, you have the camera, you've got the video camera, you've got the photo camera, you've got your smartphone, you've got your drone, but to look at the photos, to look at the videos, you got to go to each device by themselves. This takes that problem away. Bring them all into one folder on your smartphone or on your tablet. Look at them, edit them, upload them. It's all right there. This frees you up. Okay. Down, for multi-camera shoots, my wife and I will grab her chip. I will download it to our folder. She goes off, and it's like I said earlier, she's off shooting or I'm off shooting. One of us can still edit what the other person shot, upload it to the cloud or to social media. So there it is. I'm going to have the links down below. I would really like to hear your thoughts on this. And if you have one, what you think of it, or if you are thinking of getting one, what would you do with it? As always, leave me your comments and your questions down below. If you want more information, of course, you can find that at thevegastourist.com. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me. All right, hit the bell button too, because the bell is the notifier. That way, the moment that I post a new video, you will be notified. But Falwedi, 10-in-1 for your smartphone or your tablet. I hope you have as much fun with it as I do. I'm Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist. I'll talk to you all next time.